This is a 2015 Honda Civic EX, and the windshield wipers are reaching kind of the end, the ones that came with it. And I'm gonna be replacing it with the PIAA Aero Vogue. This side is 22 inches. You can measure it with a measuring tape, of course, but you'll see it if any place. It will show you that this side, the passenger side, is 22 inches. That's why you'll see it here. And the other side, the driver's side, is 26 inches. So you buy those. These are the Aero Vogue. So you can see it here. So let's open this and let's see what we find inside. Removing it and installing it is super easy, something you can definitely do. To remove it, just press these two sides hard and it comes up. And then it's gonna be a matter of pushing this whole assembly upwards. So, no, sorry, downwards. So it slides out of, there's a hook here. This thing is a hook facing downwards like this. So you need to remove it from the hook pulling downwards. So simple as this. I can do it with one hand. There it is. That's the hook. So this is what comes on the package. It's a windshield preparation pack for basically put a thin film of silicone in your windshield that will help to form beads rather than water staying there. It will form beads, and literally with the wind, the rain will just fall off. And it has to be very heavy rain just to be able to use these windshield wipers. Otherwise, you barely need them. That's what I really like out of this. Now, in order to install this thing, you just lift this securing clip up, and then you come like this here. And you insert it through it. You insert that hook. See, there it is. It went through, and now you slide it up. There it is. You close this clip, set up. So easy as that. You have one done. Let's do the other one. So here we are. Again, you press, bring it up, you slide it down, and that exposes the hook, and you just remove it out of the hook. And you grab this one, bring this up, and now you have to go with the hook in there. Once it goes through, now you turn it, move it upwards, and it slides there, and it's in place. That will secure it in there. Done deal. Now we'll have to do the treatment for the windshield. I have to clean it and follow the instructions here, and this is well worth it. And these are silicone based. Let's see here, silicone based, so they last a lot longer compared to the rubber ones, because rubber will break and with the heat on the windshield. And also every time that these ones are wiping, they're renewing that film of very thin film of silicone, so that it will keep forming beads for a long time. And these ones last me on the other cars for a long time as well. So I barely had to I think they last like 4 or 5 years for me. So I strongly recommend this PIAA ones for your car. They may cost like $30, but it's well worth it.